Next is bioactivity prediction. So if you have a ligand molecule, okay, then if you do not know the bioactivity of that ligand, then you can easily use this tool, pass online tool, to predict the bioactivity. Okay, so it is based on the structure information of ligand molecule. Okay, you can say NMR has been done, or NMR is done for the spectral information is gathered through NMR data. Okay, and based on that data, the bioactivity prediction is done using pass. Okay, it gives a result in the basis of probability. Okay, 0 to 1 range, and the average accuracy of this tool is 95%. So you can trust that. Okay, it's reliable in nature as well. So here I have given one example, aspirin. Okay, aspirin is a immunoinflammatory or in inflammatory, okay, anti-inflammatory drug as well, actually, okay, antibiotic in nature as well. So aspirin, the bioactivity has been predicted by pass online. You can get the you can see the result of aspirin bioactivity prediction using pass. So you can see the P and PI value. Okay, PA stands for probability of being active and PI stands for probability of being inactive. So here you can see 0.9, the ranges are above 0.9, so the guideline value is 0.5. So you need to you need to select those you can say bioactivity of a particular ligand whose PA value is over 0.5. Okay, you can easily select those you can say bioactivity or similar kind of receptors. For example, fibrinolytic the fibrinolytic activity has been shown by aspirin. That means you can easily dock aspirin into fibrinolytic receptor. Okay, similarly antipyretic and multiple other you can say bioactivity has been given over there.